my life. Can't believe it. Quite windy up there.
What was it like?
Oh, I can't describe it. I feel like we were going to go into the sea at one point. It's just the dips were something else. My stomach was in my mouth. The wind in your ears is just, you know, the loudest thing I've ever heard. Oh God, amazing.
Was it definitely worthwhile doing then?
Yeah, I don't think you'd like it though, Gemma.
Why not?
You would die up there.
Is it scary?
It is quite scary, yeah. Scarier than I thought it was going to be.
Would you recommend it though?
Definitely, definitely.
Come to get you down.